Welcome to this video on using YouTube to generate caption files for videos that you have recorded and that you want to upload with that video to either a piece of e-learning or to a site to make sure that your videos are really accessible for everyone. I use YouTube. There are other ways you can do it, but I use YouTube. It's super simple and super easy. You just need a YouTube account, a YouTube channel that you can upload your videos to privately, and then you can get the caption files that are automatically generated. So I'm in a YouTube channel that I don't really use. It is my named channel, and what I'm going to do is in the top right hand corner I am going to click on my face and go to YouTube Studio because that's where I need to go to upload. Now when you open this, there's a few ways you might be able to go to content on the left hand side and then upload there. But on this dashboard where you can see a bit of basic information, towards the top right you have upload videos as an option, and I'm going to use that to upload my video. So when I click on that, you can see I've got an option. I can drag and drop or I can select the file. So I'm just going to go ahead and select my video and start the upload process. So I've selected my video there and it's found a title from the file title of that video. Mine's an MP4 file type. So you can change that title if you want to, but as I'm just leaving it as private, then I'm just going to leave it and forget about it. I don't really care too much about the information, but it might take a bit of time to process. So just remember you'll need to spend a bit of time waiting for that to happen. And you can see at the top in the right hand corner, it's saved as private. So let's just go through. It will take a bit of time to check it and make sure everything's okay. I am just gonna remove some of that title. Just call it Articulate Rise. I'm going to go to Next. So you will need to select a few options, but just select no, it's not made for kids. I'm not going to add any end screen or anything like that. It's just going to do its copywriting checks and everything. Clicking on Next, and I'm going to make sure I leave it as private because I'm going to get rid of this off my channel once I've got the caption files. I'm just interested in those caption files. So I'm going to leave it as private. You can obviously scroll down if you need to see other stuff and click on Save. So the video is only visible to me, and once it's ready, if I go to content on the left hand side, it'll be visible there for me to do what I need to do. So it looks like it's there already. I can see it's kind of there, and I have a few options to play around with. And what I need to do is I need to tell YouTube what language I'm speaking in so that it can generate the captions automatically. So to do that, I'm going to click on the pencil once it's ready for me to do. And this is only a short video, so it happened quite quickly. Now when I click on the pencil, I don't have to worry about the rest of it because it's private again. I don't need to make any changes. But if I scroll down and I click on Show More and keep going down, what I'll see is these language options. And what I need to do is select the relevant language so that YouTube knows to create the captions. And when I'm uploading a video, I always select the video language. And I also select the title and description language as English United Kingdom because that's relevant to what I'm doing. And I'm going to click Save on that. Now once I've done that, it's going to work in the background. Now that I've told it what language it is, it's just going to work in the background and it's going to start to generate those captions for me. But it may take a little bit of time, so you do need to be patient. Do this process, maybe step away for a short while, especially if it's a long video. And whilst it's doing that, you can just come out of it. So top left, come back out and go to the channel content. With the magic of editing, I can now, it's been a little bit of time, I can go in and get that subtitle, that caption file that it was generating in the background for me. So to do that, I'm going to need to go back into the edit process. So I'm going to have to find the video that I uploaded privately and click on that pencil again. And when that loads up, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on show more, just to get to that captions, that language setting again. And when I scroll down, you'll see the language options just underneath there. It says to manage other languages, go to subtitles. So this is the easiest way I use to get the subtitles. There may be some other ways as well, but I'm going to click on this one. And there you can see the, I've got a couple of options here. So the second one down, the English automatic captions, is what YouTube generated for me. And if I scroll across, you can see it's published and it's automatic, and there are 3 dots right at the end. So I click on those 3 dots. What I can do is download them. Now, depending on where you're uploading them to, you've got a couple of different options. If you're uploading them to Articulate Rise, then VTT works very well, but there are SRT and SBV. So just make sure you know which caption file type you need before you do the download, because if you download the wrong one and then delete the file, you're going to have to go through that whole process again to get them. So I'm just going to click on VTT, and it has then just downloaded those captions for me. All I need to do then is go into wherever I want to upload them and upload that file, and it will work really, really nicely. So if you're using you need captions for videos that you've created or are using, then YouTube is a really great way to do that. You can upload the video privately, set the language, and then it will automatically generate those captions in the background. You can come in and download that file and then upload it with your video wherever you're hosting it, and it will make your video much more accessible. So please do like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like to see next.